Hello guys, so if you're looking to add your bank account for your Amazon refund, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can add that. Now, for doing that, firstly open your Amazon application, then click on the three lines at the bottom right corner, then click on your account, then scroll down and click on manage payment options. Now at the very bottom you'll find the option called manage bank accounts, so click on it. Now over here you will find the option called your refund bank, so click on that. So click on add new bank account. So over here, if you have the IFSC code of your bank, just simply click on yes or no accordingly. So for me, I have the IFSC code, so I'll just simply choose yes. Now enter the IFSC code of your bank account. So after that, just simply click confirm IFSC. Now select all of the details regarding your account type and account name and holder and your account number. So just simply complete all the details. So after that, in the end, just simply click on save. Then wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, my refund bank account has been successfully added, and now whenever a refund is initiated, the money will be transferred to this bank account. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.